What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to buy Ethereum on eToro. So the first thing that we have to do is to go to Discover and we are gonna click on cryptocurrency because Ethereum is a cryptocurrency. So if we scroll down a little bit, we're gonna find eToro at CoinTab. Also you can find Ethereum by clicking on search bar and search for Ethereum. And as you can see, it's right here. We're gonna click on it. Here you have a lot of information about overview, like the performance in last week or even a year or maximum. Also you have chart and financials. And if you decide to trade it, all you have to do is to click on trade. Here you can buy by short or normal. You can set a stop loss and a take profit for each one. And you can buy by units or dollar amount. So for example, let's buy $10 of it. This is not a real account, this is a demo account and it's for this tutorial. We're gonna buy it, and to see it, what you have to do is to go to portfolio, and as you can see, it's right here. So guys, this is the tutorials. This is not a financial advice. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.